Inside the office of the Pre-Health Professions Institute, an eerie figure stands at the window, watching, and making students feel a bit, well, weird.
The printer makes really freaky noises in the middle of the night.
I think there's ghosts in here, and I think they're attracted to his creepy face.
Its name? Jennifer.
Jennifer has been a fixture of the pre-health office for years. It's good at scaring some, but for others, it serves as a reminder of an old friend with a spunky personality.
Denise Bennett was an academic program specialist in the Pre-Health Professions program. It is believed that she is the one who brought Jennifer to the office.
Denise was so funny, and she was sassy. Denise was so sassy, and she really kept us on our toes.
But in 2012, Bennett died from a relapse of breast cancer.
You don't realize how much energy and how much life someone brings until they're not around anymore.
Today, the mannequin serves as a way to remember Bennett's fun-loving personality. It wears a pink ribbon for both Bennett and those still fighting breast cancer.
She was a cheerleader for our students. She was an advocate for our students, and I think she was a person who made people's lives a little bit brighter.
Although she is gone, the mannequin remains, still standing, still watching, and perhaps, much like Bennett, reminding people to have some fun once in a while. Samantha Kalimbahin, TCU News Now.